IELTS Speaking Test Part 2. Sample Mock Test Number 15.
Describe a skill that you learned outside of school. You should say what the skill is, how you learned it, why you decided to learn it, and explain how this skill has benefited you.
A skill that I learned outside of school, which has been incredibly beneficial to me, is cooking. Cooking is not just a skill for me, it's a passion that I deeply enjoy. I learned to cook from a combination of watching cooking shows, following online recipes, and, most importantly, through hands-on practice in the kitchen under the guidance of my grandmother. My journey in learning how to cook started about 5 years ago. I was inspired by watching a cooking competition on TV. The creativity and artistry involved in preparing meals fascinated me. However, the real push came from spending time with my grandmother during the summer holidays. She is an excellent cook, known in our family for her traditional dishes. She started teaching me the basics, from selecting the right ingredients to mastering various cooking techniques. With her guidance, I gradually began to experiment with recipes on my own, trying out new dishes, and tweaking them to my taste. I decided to learn cooking primarily because I love eating good food and was curious about the process of making it. Moreover, I saw it as an essential life skill that would benefit me when I moved out for college. I wanted to be self-sufficient and able to prepare healthy and delicious meals for myself rather than relying on takeouts or processed foods. Learning to cook has benefited me in numerous ways. Firstly, it has made me more independent. I don't have to depend on others for my meals, and I can choose what I eat, which is empowering. Secondly, it has significantly improved my health and well-being. I'm more conscious about the ingredients I use and the nutritional value of the meals I prepare. Cooking has also become a creative outlet for me. It's a way to relax and de-stress as I experiment with flavors and textures. Additionally, it has helped me connect with others. Sharing a meal that I've cooked has been a way to express care and bring joy to friends and family. In conclusion, learning to cook has been one of the most rewarding skills I've acquired outside of school. It has not only enhanced my daily life by making me more independent and health conscious, but has also provided a creative outlet and a means to strengthen bonds with those I care about. It's a skill that I believe everyone should have the opportunity to learn and enjoy.